How to set up a billing schedule in BQE Core. First of all, who's this for, or what situation is this for? This is for projects where you want to bill specific amounts or percentages at specific times, right? So, I mean, you can choose automatic billing for regularly scheduled billing intervals, and Core will harvest the time and expenses and prepare it for a billing manager to review, approve, and invoice. So I want to be clear about when somebody would use this and when you wouldn't necessarily use this. So let's go over to engagements. And I'll go into Mike Milan, my only client. Okay, and the first thing is, as I mentioned, we can turn on automatic billing. We go to the billing options. I can enable bill automatically if I want to just set, that it's going to invoice every month the same amount, let's say, right? That's easy. What we want to do here is a situation that's hard, right? Not that it's hard, but if I go into my billing schedule, what you'll be able to see is how easy it is now to go in here and say, and it gives me the basic contract information across the top. You can see I've got a fixed contract for $10,000, right? But let's say I don't want to bill Mike at even amounts. Let's say I want to get 50% up front and then 25% and 25%, right? So the first date would be today, the day I'm starting the contract. I'm going to say 25% of the contract, right? And of course it does the math. It knows what the contract amount is. I can say done, and then we'll add the next one. Now let's say the next one, let's say I expect to be halfway through the contract in a month from now. So we'll say 10/5/2017, and here, wait, this was supposed to be 50%, wasn't it? I'll go back and fix that in a second. So let's go, yes, it needs the percentage, 25%, and done. Let's go back to the original one from 9/5 and say that was supposed to be 50%. Right, and then we've got one more to add. Let's say we're going to plan on that being, we have September, October, November 5th, 2017. And that's going to be 25%. And done, and that will complete the contract. Of course, you want to double check that your total here matches your total contract amount. Otherwise, you're missing something, unless you want to be missing something because maybe there's a review process or something so that anyway, you can figure it out from there. But now, my friends, you understand when you would use a billing schedule and why. And now you know how to set it up. That, my friends, is all I have for you on how to set up a billing schedule in BQE Core. As always, if you have any questions, concerns, comments, or feedback, post them in the comments below or wherever you happen to be watching this. If you're on YouTube, look at the description for a link over to our blog so you can comment directly on our blog. As always, I hope you learned something here, had some fun along the way. Hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to seeing you on the web.